Bharat Mandapam Convention Center di New Delhi dibuka dengan penuh sesak dan antrian panjang pada hari Selasa saat para pemimpin industri, pembuat kebijakan, dan penggemar teknologi berkumpul untuk India AI Impact Summit 2026. Mohamed Kayub, seorang inovator dan mahasiswa dari Lovely Professional University, memamerkan drone VTOL bertenaga AI yang ia bangun secara mandiri, yang disebut Vritra, didanai oleh dan dirancang untuk Angkatan Darat India.
We all know that how much AI has been grown in like the past 2-3 years. So it changed the whole the thinking idea of humankind. So it was just a wonderful experience, and I'm little proud of my country for this. I'll get to learn that how ideas and innovations has to execute, and beside that, you should know that what your idea is doing for the people around you.
For approvals, everything has to be taken care because you have a boundary in which when the era of automation has arrived, we started integrating with the HRML.
Every enterprise is searching for what? AI is no longer an experiment. This is what leads to AI for enterprise.
So we use the sensors to map the model. Just for surveillance, sir. It can also carry payload up to 9 kg. Yeah. Now, whether that payload, the name of my project is Vritra, which is an VTOL. So this particular product was made for Indian Army. Me and my team, we stayed in the base for 2 months, and we have made this all indigenously by us. It is fully the budget was given by Indian Army. So, no, sir, carbon fiber. So this particular model, it is an AI-driven VTOL, which has an AI companion computer inside it. So to take off and land, it doesn't need any runway. It can directly take off and land using the 4 motors in the front. And once it's airborne, the 4 motors gets closed, and only the motor in the back operates. And using a wing, it can propel forward in forward direction. It can carry payload up to 9 kg, and it can transverse forward up to 30 kilometers of radius, and stay in air up to 1 hour and 20 minutes.
Speed of change.
Side structure. Like I will say, still a structure is a little side. You can see this is
campus, a remote IIT Madras campus, where Public Coach, Galaxy, Hyperloop, all. इंडिया का पहला ऐसा ब्रांड है जिसने अपनी बाइक
Jelajahi cara baru mendapatkan informasi. Download Metro TV Extend sekarang.